It's jiggles.
What's that, Colin?
It's spaghetti? How do you say it?
Tell Pop about spaghetti.
That is Play-Doh. Can you say Play-Doh?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Can you say spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
What is it?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Hey, Pop spaghetti.
Pop-up. Spaghetti, yeah. Pop-up.
What?
I got Play-Doh.
I got Play-Doh. Colin, where did you go today? Where did we go?
I did
Where did we go?
I did get more.
We went to the mall, that's right.
We did go to the mall. Did you like the mall?
Pop-up.
What?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Bucket.
Spaghetti.
Hey, buddy. I'm videotaping you. Hey, you want to see? Stop.